Okay. Yesterday we learned multiplications, right?
Yes.
That procedure is called vertically and crosswise. That procedure is called vertically and crosswise. Wherever you have the chance, you cross multiply, right? Wherever there is nothing in cross, only vertical, you multiply.
I thought this was
Vertical.
horizontal.
Oh, this is vertical. This is cross. Diagonal. The cross means diagonal.
Then what's horizontal?
This is horizontal.
I thought this was vertical.
Okay. For example, say suppose there is a digit A and there is a digit B. You have to multiply them.
There's no cross.
Is there any cross?
No.
Is there anything horizontal?
No.
There is nothing like horizontal. Okay. There is only. Okay. So how to multiply them? A times B, right? Usually, how do you do it?
A times B is B.
A times B means A can be any digit, B can be any digit. So one digit. So how do you multiply one digit times one digit? You usually use the
Times table.
tables. They are all in your mind, right? Suppose there is a number A. Okay, I change this to say AE, and then I say AB, EF. Okay. So then how do you do it? Which things you multiply first?
I think you have to do it.
First you take one digit each,
I
right?
know.
Then you take two digits each, and finally one digit each. You all remember this?
Yes, you told me this.
Yeah. So first you take one digit. Okay, is there anything crosswise?
No.
There is only vertical. Okay, A times E. That's it. Then you take two digits. Is there anything crosswise or not? Oh yeah, crosswise. Chim, chim. You cover all digits? Good. That's it. You have to do it. You multiply B and E, A and F. That's it. You took two digits. And then again you take one digit. Is there anything cross? No. Okay, then only vertical. B times F. You got it? Okay, then you have say another digit C, and then there is a digit G. Then again what you do? First you take one digit each, and C crosswise and vertical. Then you take
Two digits.
two digits and crosswise and vertical.
And then
Three digits crosswise and vertical. After three digits we come back, we use two digits, again crosswise vertical.
I didn't understand
Finally,
what that vertical.
Vertical means choo.
But why
This is
the
vertical.
Crosswise vertical.
Yeah. So if there is no cross, then vertical. If there is cross, you have to use the.
The first. But why are you telling crosswise vertical?
Yeah, I'll come to that. Okay, I'll give you example. So first you take one digit, then two digit, then three digit, then we reach the end of it, right?
Two digit.
Two digit, one digit. That's the whole thing. Okay, you understood? Are you? Okay, first you take one digit. Anything cross here? There is only vertical. So A times E, you get the answer. That is the first answer, whatever it is. Then you take two digits. Then what you do? Crosswise.
Up. A times B.
A times B. This is horizontal. Do you multiply these two?
No.
Do you multiply these two?
A
No.
times F.
Yeah. So two digits. A times F. B times C. That's it. Two digits. Then take three digits. How do you do it?
You do
Again crosswise.
C and E.
C and E.
A and G.
A and G.
E and F.
Hey, that's wonderful. That's exactly what I want to hear. You're loud. Hey, good. And then three digits are done. Then two digits. What?
and G and C and F.
Yeah. B and G. Right? B and G, C and F. Lastly, only C and G. You all got it? Okay, now we come from Ishan. Suppose there is a digit E, F, G, H. It's a 4-digit number. So then what we do? Ishan will tell. He's smart. First
one digit A and E, then two digit A and F and B and E,
cross. Yeah.
and then three digit
Yeah.
A and G and C and E and B and F,
Yeah.
and then four digit
Cross.
A and H,
A and
D
yeah. A and H.
D and D.
D and E.
B and G.
Again cross.
I know C and F.
Hey. Do you understand all of you now? It's only cross.
I know that.
If there is no cross, then you have to go for vertical. Okay. So yeah, first one digit you took, then 2 digits, then 3 digits, then 4 digits, then you stop. Next you. Tell me.
Digits.
Which 3 digits?
B,
Ah.
C, D, and F,
Yeah.
H.
Yeah. Then how do you multiply? Which digits you have to multiply?
B and H.
B and H.
C and G.
C and G.
D and D and F.
Hey, good. Right? Okay. Next. Ananya.
Then you have to do 2 numbers.
2 digits.
C and H.
J.
G.
G and
D.
D and D. Okay. Next. Aryan. Next. What is to be done?
It has to be. Go to the. It has to be 2 digits.
2 digits already done.
No, I mean 1 digit.
Yeah.
And you multiply D and H.
You understood, all of you? This is how you multiply. You don't need to multiply. I never got to. Nobody asked me to multiply 4-digit numbers. So you don't actually get to multiply 4-digit numbers or 5-digit numbers. But I only want you to understand the. Understand
These
the
are not numbers.
concept.
They're
Concept.
letters.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's okay. Hey, so you want numbers?
Yes, that's much better. I can answer everything.
Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3, 8, 9, 5. Suppose this is the number.
4 times.
Suppose somebody asked you, okay, next you will come here. Okay, I want you to give the approximate answer. 12? 12,000? Are you sure?
No.
How many digits does this answer has? How many digits this one has?
They should have
The answer should have
8. Because
She
it's
knows.
carrying. It's supposed to
answer should be at least
8.
answer should be 8 digits if there is a
Carry.
okay, there is a carry here.
Yes.
Okay, then the answer will be
8.
okay. So then what other things should I put? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros is a
1 million.
million. So the answer is
12 million. 12.
you got it. Suppose if somebody asks you, I want a little bit more approximate answer. Then what you have to do?
Multiply.
Instead of only this,
You can multiply.
next you also take 2 digits and then get 2 answers. You want to do it?
I want to.
Okay, next I will give to you. Okay? Okay.
167. 167.
Okay. So, okay.
16 millions.
Yeah. Okay. Kaustav, and then you. Okay. Go Minne. I can't disappoint you. I feel so sad if I disappoint. Hey, can I give to Ananya?
Yes.
Okay, Ananya, do it.
Look in the last year.
You already told the answer. I know. I heard. It's right. Take your time. You also try, Kaustav. If approximate is only this much, that's okay. If somebody says more approximate, then you have to do
1, 6, 2. 1, 6.
very close.
162 million.
This is
32.
this is
15.
total.
32 plus 15.
Yeah,
47.
47. So this answer, how this answer will change?
1 plus 47.
Yeah. Is it like this?
6? No. It should be 1, 6.
Yeah. 4 here, 7 here, right? So this will be 1, 6, and this is.
7.
So the answer is.
How did you get? Oh yeah.
You got it? It's just like 2-digit multiplication, right? Yeah. So what is this number?
4 plus 5 is
Okay, I'll put the commas for you. Now you tell.
16 million.
16 million.
Next one can I?
16 million.
16 million. 16 million.
700,000. That's all. You don't need to do much.
Can I do?
Next one you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose I give you. You're ready? You're really ready?
Do you have to give an approximate
Ta-da. Oh my god, I want to give you a little tough one. 45 times 45.
There has to be 4 digits. I want more digits.
Okay, 4, 5. Okay, I give you 4.
No, the answer has to be 4 digits for that 45.
7, 8, 9, 5, 8, 3, 0, 9.
Can I give an approximate?
Approximate answer.
There is 8 digits in the answer because there is
56
times.
56 after
6 zeros.
yeah, 6 zeros means is a 3 zeros is 1,000. 6 zeros is a
Million.
yeah. So the answer is
56 million.
claps. That's it.
Come on. That's just the approximate answer.
That's it.
So fair.
I'm fine. Yeah, I don't want any more explanation. I'm happy with the answer you gave. You don't want me to be happy?
Yeah. Because you don't, I like losers. And I won.
Yeah, you won. Okay, but still I like you.
So fair.
Yeah.
But you lied. You're Pinocchio.
Okay, so today we will learn how to square the number. Squaring is nothing but multiplying the number by itself up to 1 to 100. You are all done? You know it? How to do?
Yes.
This is the same thing what we have done, but we will do it in easy way, okay?
Aww.
Suppose there is a number called 15 times 15. What is the answer? What 15 times 15?
I'm going to do it.
Next you. Yeah.
1, 25.
I know.
4.
0, 2, 2, 5.
2 to 5. Right or wrong? Actually, you don't need to multiply all this stuff. First digits are,
Same.
second digits add up to,
10.
so it will be the answer is 1 times, the next number is,
2 to 5, 2 to 5, 2 to 5.
what is the next number to 1?
2, 2, 2.
2. So 1 times 2,
2,
2, 5 times 5.
5.
That's it. Okay, next you. What is the square for 25?
Me or Selvi?
Selvi.
4 to 5. 2, 3 are 6. 6 to 5.
6 to 5.
That's easy.
Right or wrong?
My turn. My
Yeah.
turn.
First digits are same, second digits add up to
25.
10. So you have to multiply 2 times
They might give a different part.
the next number.
No fair.
You forgot. Hey, next you. Okay, I don't need to write also. Hey, next to you. You want to try? Okay, what is 35 times 35?
1, 2, 2, 5.
Yeah, 45 times 45.
45 times 45.
Yeah.
2025. 2025.
Hey, no. 2025. Hey. Wait, 55 times 55. So, hey, please. Yeah. 65 times 65. Please, no.
4 to 2, 5.
Yeah, 75 times 75.
5, 6 to 5.
5, 6 to 5.
Right? 85 times 85.
85 times 85. 6, 4 to 5.
Wrong. Wrong.
8 times 9. 7 to 5.
7, 2, 2.
7 to 2, 5. Next you. 95 times 95.
8, 1, 8. Wait. 909. 9025.
Right? 9 times 10. 19. 25. Okay, what is 10 next to 105 times 105?
Oh man. Can't we just leave the 0 and just do 50 times?
Dude, you take this as 1 unit.
Put 10 times 10.
10025.
The,
Wrong.
the next digit you have to take.
Yeah.
It's not 10 times 10. 10 times the next number.
Next 10 times 11.
11025.
Hey, right? She is smart.
What? What did you say again?
1, yeah, 10, yeah, 10, 10, right?
Yeah.
So,
10 times 11.
10 times 11 is
11025.
110.
Yeah.
25. Okay, who's next?
Me. My
Hey,
turn.
Aryan, I want to give you 30 times 30. 305 times 305.
30 times 31.
30 times 31.
Hey, no, you stop. I can't stop you.
I want to do it in the board because I want to do it the
There is nothing to do it on the board.
Aww.
Yeah, you good.
I'll explode.
So this is
9025. 9025.
wrong. No, Aryan will do it. Only if he passes, he will go to the next
I'll
one.
explode. 9025.
So what is to be done?
9025.
Wrong. No, what is to be done?
30.
The first digits are same. Okay, assume that this is one digit. First digits are same. Second digits add up to
10.
10. So what you have to do? 30 times
31.
30 times 31. What is 30 times 31?
93.
930.
930. Is it right? Yeah, just you just forget the 0. 3 times 3, 9. 3 ones are 3. 930. Answer is 93025.
25.
You got it? Okay, I think you mastered. You mastered squarings already. Oh my god, you are so fast. And you have funny thing already? Suppose I say 4.5 times 4.5.
That's easy. 17.
How did you get that?
17.
Can you please tell the procedure?
4 times 4 is 16. 1 half plus 1 half is 1. So 16 plus 1 is 17.
Can you tell the procedure?
adding
it? You have to multiply. Exactly.
Okay, it's like this. See, first digits are same. It's like second things add up to
1.
1.
16. What is 16?
So what you have to do is 4 times the next number is
20.
5. 4 times 5 is
20.
20. And then you have to multiply 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 will be 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 2?
1 by 2.
Oh, 2 times 2? 4. You understood?
So,
You got it?
That's easy.
Suppose the same thing I will tell you in a different way. 4.5 means 4.5.
5.
4.5 times 4.5. You know this already.
6.
4 times the next number is
4 times 5. 20.
20. You put the point as it is. 5 times 5?
25.
So 0.25 means
1 quarter.
is a quarter. 20 is a 20.
0.25 is quarter.
You all got it? Ananya, you got it?
0.25 is quarter.
So 0.5 means it's a same as 1 by
2.
2. 0.25 is same as 1 by
4.
You got the same answer in both ways or not?
0.75 is the same as 3 by 4. 3 by 4.
You are smart, I know. Yeah, next class we will do a little bit of fractions. Hey.
You said we'll do fractions today.
Yeah, actually I thought, but I thought, okay, this is this is so funny, okay, because we have learned multiplication. So if you learn multiplication, you already know the squares also, right? Because squaring is nothing but multiplying the number with its same thing. And then I thought, okay, I'll tell you more easy way to do squarings. Okay, then I thought, okay, I'll do that for you today. You're all ready?
Yeah.
You're all ready?
Yeah.
Today, I want to introduce something new, okay?
The board?
For squaring, I want to introduce not board, this board.
Yeah.
A new marker?
No. Today I want to introduce a friend called Duplex.
I thought you were going to tell
Duplex is the friend of Ant Man. Yeah. So, Duplex. Okay, Duplex means duplex, okay?
Duplex. Duplex.
Suppose you give a single digit number. Okay, suppose say whatever A. Okay, you give to duplex.
No. 7.
Yeah,
That's
okay,
not
I'll
a
give you
number,
example.
that's
Okay,
a letter.
suppose you give a one digit number to duplex.
A is not a one-digit number.
It will give you its square.
Letter.
Hey, one digit number.
But A is not a one-digit number.
It's a one-digit
letter.
Okay, suppose if you give 7 to duplex, it will give you
That's not 7.
how much?
That is 1.
7 square is?
Uncle, A is not 7. A square.
A can be anything, right?
A square.
Yeah, suppose if you give 3 to duplex, then it will give you
9.
Uncle, can
9.
you read it again? I didn't even understand. I was the friend of Uncle Man.
yeah. So duplex is something that is a friend of Amperman. Okay, if you give one digit to number to duplex, it will return the square of that number.
Oh, that means that's why it's called
Oh,
A square.
I know. It eats the letter. In the stomach that letter gets square.
Yeah.
And it poops out.
Poops out, that will be square. That's very simple. Exactly.
A square.
I love that example. I love example.
I wanted a high
Hey, you got it? You all got it? You all got it? Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay, then it does another funny thing. Hey, it does another funny thing. If you give it a number, 2-digit number,
It's A, B squared.
what it does, you know?
It gets squared.
No.
I mean, square root, square root, square root.
It will give you, it will multiply them and double them and give to us.
Double them?
Multiply them, those 2 digits, and then double it and give to you.
Oh. A times B is B.
So
So it basically now it passes, before it passes
Yeah,
to the
A-
stomach,
okay.
now it passes to the small intestine and the large intestine.
What did you
Exactly.
write again?
And so now, okay, suppose you give, now we will give example. So duplex of a number say 12,
No, I wanted
What
A,
times
B, the same letter.
You
Four,
multiply.
Four, it gives us 4. You
okay,
want.
products and then you multiply
No,
A and
you
B
just told that
and then double.
the duplex will eat those letters or something in the
Yeah, duplex will multiply them
No, it eats
and then
them.
double it.
Then one passing to the.
Yeah. Okay, suppose if we give 1 and 2 the duplex, 12, if we give 12 to duplex, what will it give you?
4.
1 times 2?
2.
Double it?
4.
4.
Can tell again?
Yeah.
How can you get 4? I thought
Yeah.
you can do
Okay, suppose, okay, yeah, suppose, okay, first we'll go one by one. Okay, duplex of 2. Suppose you give only 1-digit number to duplex, it will give you
2 squared.
2 square, that is?
I'm telling you a 2 digits number, not 1 digit.
Okay, yeah, for 2-digit number,
How
you,
is 2 squared 4?
you have to tell him, you all understand, but you have to explain him also. If you give a 2-digit number to duplex, it will multiply these 2 numbers
It's 2.
and then double it. You get it?
4.
Suppose duplex you give it a number called 34.
Woo! You multiply them 12 and double 12, 24.
24! Hey, oh my god! You got it? You okay? You understood? Now can you guess what will duplex do if you give a
Tough.
3-digit number?
First it squares, then it.
Ta-da, ta-da, A, B, C, that's the number. What will it do?
It will first multiply the digits. No, multiply all of them, then it will double it.
No, it's the same thing, you know. For the middle one, it only squares. Okay, middle one it squares. The other 2 things,
It
multiplies and doubles.
But what about the middle number?
Middle number is only alone,
Can you
right?
write
It is like
Can you
this.
write
It's
the
squares.
first and last digit? Uncle, can you write with numbers? I didn't understand with those silly letters with that.
Oh, you want numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, he gets confused with the the letters. Okay, suppose there is a number for 1, 2, 3, 123.
Oh, I
Oh my
know.
God, he got up. Okay, go ahead.
6, 4,
Ah.
64.
How
6 plus
did you
4.
get
Add
it?
them. 6 plus 4?
10.
How
Okay.
did you get it?
Yeah, sit down.
Wait, I want to say something.
Okay, go ahead.
For the first, if you give us 1-letter number, the letter only passes to the stomach. Yeah, if you give 2-letter number, it passes to the small intestine and the large intestine. And if you give 3-letter number, it passes through all of them.
Hey. Oh my God.
Me, high
Hey,
five.
hey, he's a friend of duplex. It seems. Yeah.
Yay.
Oh my God, he knows duplex so well. Okay, now this one what will do? These 2 things it will product. Multiply them and then
Double.
double. How much is it?
I know. 26.
12.
1 times 3.
Oh, 1 times 3.
12.
3.
1 times 3, 12.
No,
Don't
this
trust him. He gives all wrong answers.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
1 times 3? 3 double it? 6. And then this one, it is alone. So it will just square it.
10. 4.
Square is how much? 2 of, square for 2 is?
14.
Equals 10.
2 times 2?
4.
4. So answer is?
10.
10. Okay, you understood?
Yes.
Okay, suppose I give you a difficult number. You are ready? Suppose 3, 5, 4. Then what will be the duplex? Tell me.
So 3 times 4, 12.
Hmm.
And then 5 times 5
Hey. Multiply and then product and then the double.
49.
24 plus
49.
And then plus 10
Plus
25.
49.
I didn't understand. 49. Square.
yeah, 3 times 4
12.
double it
34 is the
24
answer.
plus
no.
this is alone.
35.
You have to- it will square it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? How much?
25.
25. 5 square is 5 times 5. 25. Answer is 49. Oh my god, you are so fast. You are so smart. Okay, next I'll ask you.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
You just gave the
You
same
already did it? Okay.
once.
Okay, next I give you tough one. 7, 1, 0.
Oh, that's better. What do you do with this?
It's so easy.
It's so easy.
1. The answer is 1.
Answer is?
1. 1.
Huh?
0, 1.
Just 1, yeah. 7 times 0,
0.
double it.
0.
And then what should we do with the middle one?
Square.
Hey, that's it. Oh my god, you're so smart. Next, are you not ready? Okay, 3, 8, 1.
Uncle, I want a harder one next time.
6.
Okay, now you also can do it, this one. But it's in that.
3.
That's all. See? Yeah, 3 times 1, 3, double it, 6. Then what should we do with this?
46.
Oh, wait.
Wrong. Let Aaron do. This one has to be, the duplex will, what do we do with the single one, alone one?
God. Please. 6, 8. Can I erase this for a scenario?
Okay, first 3 times 1, yeah. 6 plus?
6 plus
These two will multiply and then double.
square 8.
Then what, alone one, it's only alone one. What will you do with it? How much?
28 or something.
8 square is?
28.
64.
70.
64, 8 times 8 is
How did you
64. Answer is?
70? Oh yeah, 80. I understand.
70. Answer is 70. Oh my god, okay, this is a little tough, right?
How do you
Okay, but a duplex will do it.
understand?
Even if it is difficult. You're ready? You're ready? Really ready? 2, 3, 1, 2.
No fair. You gave her
It's a 4-digit number. What do you think the duplex will do?
It will eat all of them.
The same way, what will it do?
And double.
First, yeah, I know, not like that. It always takes the
Double of that the product.
8 and then again
3.
6.
so 2 times 2 double it
8.
8 plus these two again multiply them
6.
3 times 1 3 double it
6.
6 this is
14.
14 now you know the trick all of you know the
I
trick
want a square digit
oh,
number. That's
hey I want to give you okay I want the easy one next one you okay next Monet I'll give it to you Monet will do something 1 1 1 1
Double 1, 2.
yeah 1 times 1 1 double it 2 again what should we do with this
1 times 1.
1 times 1 again double it
2.
that's it the answer is 4 okay
My turn.
Charles we will try you want to try the easy one or difficult one
I want like the same one as Mahati. One is.
okay then 2 2 2 2
Ooh, yeah. 2 times 2, 4, 8.
which 2s you have to multiply
That one and the.
2 times 2
8.
4 double it 8 plus
And 2 16. 2 times 2, 4. 16. 8, 16.
hey super okay who is next
Me.
Ishan oh my god he also
Actually, there's a fact. The 3-digit number is the hardest of all of them, and that's also easy.
you want the toughest one right I will give you 1 2 3 4 5 if you give 5 digits what will you do hey no he will do it
1 times 5, 2 times 4, 3.
oh my god I mean you're extremely smart
We said 3 alone.
3 square.
okay now tell me the answer
Square 3.
first 10 plus 1 times 5 5 double it 10 2 times 8 8 plus 16 plus
9.
how much
10
35.
plus 9 is
35.
35?
Plus 6.
hey right you have mastered it you have mastered it now
I want another harder one. Like 6-digit number.
no okay you're all ready
Yes.
you're all ready
Yes.
now we'll use this duplex using in squares okay duplex sorry we will use duplex in squares okay you're all ready suppose there is a number 21 and somebody asks you to square it okay what you have to do is First
And
send
the digit sum and then give it to duplex.
first send 2 to duplex. How much?
2.
It will give it back.
4.
Then give 21 to duplex.
4.
42.
2 times 1,
4. 4.
2, double it.
4. 4. 4.
And then give 1 to duplex.
2. No, 1.
1. 1 times 1?
1.
That's the answer.
Ooh.
You understood now? Any number,
Can you tell it again?
yeah, suppose there is a number 31, what you have to do is, first you have to send this digit to duplex, 1 digit. Next you have to take 2 digit to duplex, and then give 1 digit to duplex, mix all the 3, and you get the answer.
Can you do with the answer?
Yeah, what is the duplex for 3?
No.
Okay, who will do? Order by order. Okay, next you, Selvi. What is the duplex for 3?
9.
9. Okay, next 31. What is the duplex for 31? Take your time. 2 digits.
6.
Duplex for 31.
3 times 1, 3, and double 3, 6.
Right? 31 means 3 times 1, 3. Double it, 6. Next. Aryan, what is the duplex for 1?
61.
Oh my god. That's it. You got it? Okay, then, okay, I'll give you a little tough one to Aryan. Aryan, are you ready?
Yes.
41. Okay. You are not ready?
He's
He's ready. Okay, Aryan, 41. If I ask you to square, what should you do? First you take?
one number.
Yeah, 1 digit. You make it duplex of 4. How much?
8. No, it's not 8. It is 16 or something.
He's confusing you. But you will not be confused, I know. What is the duplex for 4?
16. 16.
Huh? 1 digit number. Duplex for 1 digit number is? 8?
16.
First 1 digit number is a square.
1681. 168.
Oh my god, it goes to extremely fast.
It's correct.
So 1 digit number for duplex is square. Okay? So 4th square is?
1681. Can't we just do 4? That's 4.
16. Then 2 digit number duplex is?
8.
You have to multiply them and then?
Just do 4 times 168.
And then what is the duplex for 1?
1.
You got it? Oh my god. You all find it too easy? Okay, next you, Mahati. Ready?
900 digit number.
51 square. Use duplex. First duplex is? 25. Second duplex is? 10. So this becomes? 1 is a carry. 1 is a carry.
6.
6? Yeah. And then duplex for? You got it? Mone, you want to try? Yeah.
I want to try carrying one.
You also, okay, I'll give you. 61. Mone. First duplex.
3721.
Wow. She got it right? Claps. 6 times 6, 36. Then 12.
Yes, she
So
got
it's a
it.
372. And then 1. She got it so fast. My god, she made friends with duplex. You ready?
Yes.
Easy one or tough one?
Tough.
77.
77.
Can't you go to the hospital because
You want me to go to the hospital?
yes.
Right?
Then we'll not have Vedic maths.
Oh my god. Then I give you holiday for the next 5 days.
Yeah.
No Vedic maths.
For the next 5 days, we don't have basic math.
Yeah, that's what I told you.
Because it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
What is the answer?
I'm still doing.
This is very, very tough.
Next 7 days.
Everybody can do it. All of you do it.
Oh.
What is the first what is the duplex for 7?
50, no, 49.
49. What is the duplex for 77? 7 times? Okay, go ahead.
5, 9, 2.
No.
9.
5,
929.
No.
929, we'll see.
No, 598. 59929.
Shouting at my ear.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, what is your answer?
Wait.
Ananyas, Selvi, Aryan. Zoom. It's tough. It's okay. If you do it, you are like gods. It's a 4-digit answer.
592.
It's a 4-digit answer.
5929.
Okay, it says 5929, we'll see. Okay, so what is the first duplex for 7?
49.
49. Duplex for 77.
It is
7 times 7?
49. 98.
98. 9 is the carry.
58.
Okay, 58. And then duplex for 7.
49.
49. 4 adds up to this. 488 becomes?
588 becomes
Five.
592.
He's right. Clap. Hey.
This looks a little hard. I don't like this.
Yeah, it's okay.
I
Difficult
like
one. Okay, I'll give you easy ones only. Okay, I never give you tough
Try
ones.
to give him 107 instead.
Hey, okay, next you. Okay, 107. Square.
No, I'm telling Yishan.
No, it's okay. You can take this one as 1 digit.
No,
You can take this one as 1 digit, or you can use the 3-digit duplex. Which one do you want to try?
10 has 1 digit.
Okay, take it as 1 digit. Okay, so what is the duplex for 10?
100.
100. What is the duplex for 107? This is 1 digit and this is 1 digit. Okay? 140. Yeah, 140 means. Yeah, he's right.
7 times 10 is
7 times 10 is 70. And then double it. It's a 140. Carry is?
And the second 0.
14 is the carry. Yeah? Okay. This becomes
1140.
1140. And then this one?
11449.
49.
11449.
Okay, 11449. You remember this. She may be wrong also. Okay, so 114.
49.
Sorry, what was it?
449.
1 double 49.
Can I
Okay.
tell you something? Is this going to be in the homework?
No,
Double 1.
I'll not give you these things.
Double
Forward.
149.
What?
Sorry, yeah, one. Oh.
No
Okay. Okay, now we'll do using 1-digit duplex, okay? I mean, 3-digit duplex instead of 2 digits. So what is the duplex for 1?
That looks like an S.
What is the duplex for 10?
100. No. 1.
2 digits, a 2-digit number. Yeah, take it as a 2-digit number. Wrong. Yeah. 2-digit number. Duplex means you have to.
200.
No, you have.
I know.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
duplex. Yeah, if you give 2-digit number to duplex, it will give you.
0.
Multiply them and then
It's 100.
double it.
I know who's a mathematician in here.
It's a 0.
And it is.
You understand what I'm saying? It's a 2-digit number. Okay? If you give to duplex, it will give you. It will multiply them and then double it.
I wish
Okay.
it was a 9-digit.
It's a 0. Hey, next, what is the duplex for 107?
I don't know.
It's tough. It's okay. If you don't do it, it's okay. It's a little tough.
14. Why do you
Yeah.
keep on
Now
standing on your
now
knees
Ishan is
and
doing
standing?
faster than Ananya. I don't know why. Sometimes Ananya does faster than Ishan. So 3-digit number. Duplex is you have to.
That and then the middle number is squared.
Yeah, middle number will square. These two numbers will be.
7 doubled. Doubled. You multiply and double.
Multiply the 1 times 7. 7. Double it 14 plus 0 square is nothing. So 14. So 14 means it becomes a 1 is a carry. So it becomes 114. Then we have to take duplex of
7.
07, not 7. Okay. Right or wrong? Hey, what is the duplex for 07?
49.
0.
2-digit number. If you give to
Duplex.
duplex, what will it do?
Multiply the double.
You multiply them, those two, and then double. So the answer is 0. And then the last one is duplex for 7. Duplex for. Okay, duplex for 07 is 0. Duplex for 7 is
49.
49. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Duplex is a funny thing.
11449.
07 if you give it 0. You give 7, it gives
Just
a.
funny that it's
What is that? So 49 means it becomes a
11449.
11449. Is the same answer?
Yes.
Same answer? Good. Aryan, 23. Yeah, I'll give next I'll come back. Ishan, I'll ask the 203, okay?
And I'm going to hear. But you don't answer.
First duplex for 2, and then duplex for 23, and then duplex for 3. Okay, first duplex for 2, 4, duplex for 23. 12 means this becomes a
5.
5, duplex for 3. 9, the answer is 529, that's it. Okay, so Ishan really wanted to do...
Don't give him that.
Okay, so Ishan and Mahati has to do this, 203.
Because they're the same grade. Even Annie is in the same grade.
Doesn't matter. Ishan and Mahati are in the same grade?
No, not same class, same grade.
Okay, yeah, no problem. So,
She's in the same class.
what is your answer? Okay, good.
4129.
4129. I think it's wrong. Because it's a 3-digit number, the answer should be 6 if there is a carry, otherwise,
5.
yeah, you gave only 4. Ta-da, ta-da. It is very easy to say right or wrong, but it is difficult to say the right answer.
Hey, how?
So, Madhu, you want to try? Okay, what is the procedure? Come here.
I want to tell the procedure.
What? You also want to do it on the board? Okay, next I'll do it on the board.
Low graders are much better than high graders. They forget
Yeah, 4.
everything.
No, not we. You have to teach it to them. Okay.
Oh, I got
Okay,
it.
you tell them the first, okay, duplex
I
for 2.
know answer.
It's okay. Next I'll give you.
Explain it to Srishan.
Say it out.
41209.
Okay, we'll see.
I think he guessed
I remember your answer. Okay, you have to turn this way.
09.
Ta-da. I also come here.
Hi, student Mr. Shivram. So good. And that's your baby
Okay, duplex of 2. 4. Then duplex of 20 is?
0.
You multiply them, correct? And then double. 2 times 0?
0.
Yeah, 0 double?
0.
Okay, that's it. Next, duplex of?
0.
Yeah, then 203 duplex. How much? 12. 12, good job. Yeah, erase it and then put it 2. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, then duplex of? 03 is? 0. Then duplex of 3. Hey! Yeah. Hey! Hey, then,
No, it's
hey, you all remember this, right? 41209, you all remember this. Now I'll tell you funny thing. Suppose if I take this as
100.
one digit, this as 1 digit, we can still try, right?
Yeah, we
But-
can take the 0 away.
Yeah, but this is a 2-digit number, so the answer will always be
6.
2 digits. Answer will come in 2 digits because this is a 2-digit number. Okay, what is the duplex for 2?
4.
4. What is the duplex for this and this?
Which?
2 and 03. Now we take this as a it is a single digit. Take it as a single digit.
I think
Then
it
it's
is
3, so yeah, 12.
Yeah, 2 times
12.
3 and then double
12.
12. Okay, you put 12 like this. And then what is the duplex for 3? 03? Taking as a single digit?
0.
As a single digit.
0.
As a single digit. Assuming it is a single digit.
9. Oh, 09.
Yeah. Is the same answer?
How did you get that 0 and
Yeah.
the 9?
Okay, I don't want to confuse this. This is a little confusing. I just wanted to tell you that this is another way, okay?
He's confused.
Don't get confused, okay?
Me also.
You also want to try? Okay.
No.
32 square.
What?
Yes, what is your answer? What is your answer?
94.
94? Okay, you'll see. Hi. He took the duplex for 3,
I know.
9. He took the duplex for this, 4. But there is missing something. You have to also add in the middle. You have to take the duplex for 32. Duplex for 32 is?
It's 1024.
Maybe he's wrong.
9.
Why did you tell us?
Duplex for 32 is?
You have to
Multiply them.
3 times 2. 1, 0, 4, 1,
So 12 means 9 becomes?
10 becomes 10.
10, there is a 2.
4.
And then,
Done.
right?
So simple.
Hey, okay. Hey, oh, okay. Now, okay, I want to ask you something funny. All ready? What is the duplex? So what is the digit sum for 32?
5.
Digit sum?
5.
Okay, digit sum.
Verify. You are verifying.
Yeah, we'll check if our answers are right or wrong. Okay, 32 duplex is.
5.
You got it? So 32 times 32. Answer was 1024. So 32 digit sum was
5.
5. 32 digit sum was
5.
5. The answer is 5 times 5? 25. The digit sum was 7. So this digit sum is also 7. So you got it right. Hey, I just want to see if you can do it or not, but I will try. Who will do the reverse?
Oh, I get it.
Suppose I have
We're going to
a-
multiply the digit sum and then find
Suppose I have a number 441. I want you to tell me the square root.
square root.
Why is it
Who's
21?
last time?
41.
I don't know.
No,
Let's see.
21.
Hey, who was next? Who was next? Who was next? Concept is done. You. Oh, okay.
I won.
How did you get it?
Square root. Square root is nothing but the number, like the number that's squared.
Hey, 1, 2, 2, 5. Suppose.
I
Okay.
got it.
Hey. So suppose. Okay, I'll tell you it's a funny thing. Okay, we'll. Square means multiplying the number with its same.
150.
You know what is square root? You know what is square root?
Dividing the number by itself.
Tada, tada. Dividing by the number by itself will give you
0.
1. Square root means the opposite of square. Okay? Suppose you have a number, say 6 times 6 is
36.
36. So
Divide.
36 is the square of
6.
square of
Divided by
6. Then you say 6 is the square root of
36.
36. Hey, it's a 4-digit number. Okay? So the answer will come from first digit. Okay, the answer is actually a square root of this number. The answer is a 2-digit number.
Is this intermediate level or what?
This is a this is kind of intermediate level.
Then
That's-
I'm not learning.
okay, close your ears. Yeah, good.
It's basic.
Okay,
Pretty basic.
okay, wonderful. Okay, 2 people close. Anybody else wants to close your ears? Okay, 3. Okay, 3 people close their ears. Okay, you have Ishan, Selvi, and Mahati, Krishna, and Mone. Okay, we'll try. Okay,
What? Oh, I learned.
square root. Hey, Ishan, look here. It's a 4-digit number. Its square root will be how many digits?
2.
2 digit. The first digit will come from this digit. What is the approximate square root for this?
4.
Approximate square root. So 3 times 3, 9. 4
Nine.
times 4,
16.
16. It is bigger than this, right?
Yeah.
So it can be 4. It can only be
3 times 3.5. 3.5.
something. No, it's like approximate 3, right?
Yeah.
This digit we have to see what is the.
5.
It should be 5 because it is ending with 5. Okay.
Now let's see if it's correct.
It's correct.
Hey. Okay, before that I want to tell you something funny thing. If the number is 1, its square will end with.
1.
If a number is 2, its square will end with a.
4.
If a number is 3, its square will end with a.
9.
Okay, maybe I'll put somewhere here. If a number is 1, its square will end with.
1.
Number is 2,
4.
3,
9.
4,
6.
5,
5.
6,
6.
7,
9.
8,
4.
4, 9,
1.
0.
0.
You know this? You know this much?
Yeah.
If a number is ending with this number, its square will end with this number. Suppose if I say 4, 5, 5, 2, can you find the square root of it? Is it a perfect square?
No.
It's ending with a.
2.
It's ending with a.
2.
Do you think it can have a square root? Because any square number will only have the end digit as 0 or 1 or 4 or 9 or 6,
or 5.
5. But if it is, what are the numbers missing here?
3.
Missing numbers are 3,
7.
7,
2.
2. That's all?
8.
8. That's all? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, That's it. These are the missing. If a number is ending with 3 or 7 or 2 or 8, it cannot be a perfect square. Okay, good. Okay, you know that? You know that much? You're all sure this much?
No, I'm not because
Okay.
I don't want this.
Ta-da, ta-da. You're ready? You're ready? You're ready? You're ready? Okay. Now you tell me, suppose there is a number 1, 2, 2, 5. We found the square root as 3 and some number, right? Right, because this number is ending with a 5, it can only be, this number can only be 5. Okay, give me something else.
961.
961, okay. Somebody said 961. Okay, you trade.
Your mom got
Okay. The square root will also be a, how many digit number?
90.
Uncle, why did you keep a comma?
Okay, I'm just separating like into pairs, okay?
Adil is better.
I'm just separating into pairs. What is the square root for 961?
31.
Yeah. What is the square root for 9? 3. This is 1. So this answer will end with, hey,
But
if the square is 1, its answer can end with 1 or 9. 9 times 9, it can be 31 or it can be 39. Which one is right?
31.
Why?
No, it's 39.
Okay, 31 square
39.
is... So what is 30
How
square?
do they get 6?
What is 30 square?
30 square is
Ta-da, ta-da. What is 30 square?
90.
90. 900, right? Okay, then what is the next number, next easy number for 39? What is 40 square?
106.
4 4s are 16, 600. Now you see, we have a number whose square is 961. 961 will be here or here?
39.
30 square is 900, 40 square is 1600. So 31. So we only know 961. It will be 31 square or 39 square? 961 or 961.
39.
Which one looks better? Okay. So shall I tell you the easy way, more easy way? So what is 30?
This thing is more easy.
You all remember the squares of 35?
I think it's 49.
What is the square of 35? Right in the middle, beginning of the class we told. 1, 2, 2, 5. Now you tell me, 961 will be here or here?
31.
Okay, that's all for today.